Hello and welcome to my channel, I Know Gadgets. Today I'm reviewing the Screwdriver King, a must-have multi-tool for everyday repairs. This screwdriver is small enough to slip right into pockets, backpacks, and even your average toolkit. It comes with high durability 17 to 4 pH stainless steel and is rated for all sorts of tough tasks. It even has a DT Swiss T20 wrench for use on Tricon wheels. It also comes with a semi-gloss, fade-resistant and durable gift box, and an extension that adds more tools, functions, and extra torque. The Screwdriver King also has a bullseye bubble level, rulers in inches and cm, a pocket-sized tool, a battery removal tool, a paint can opener, corrosion-resistant materials, bicycle tools, spoke wrenches, a box opener, a tool for every home, photography tools, 8 technician tools, motorcycle tools, car tools, e-skateboard tools, e-scooter tools, a tool for tools, and electrician tools. Plus, it comes with 27 screw bits from 1/4 to 5/16. It's lightweight and compact enough for both small and big jobs. Check out the link in the description below to buy yours today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.